Imagine having the power to turn any book or PDF file into your own audiobook with just a few lines of code in Python. With this project, you'll be able to turn any PDF or book into an audiobook. No more sitting and reading. Just run the program and listen to the entire book effortlessly. We'll break it down into 4 simple steps, starting with setting up Python and a code editor, all the way to extracting text from PDFs and converting it into speech. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Python-powered audiobook generator. The best part? You don't need advanced Python skills or prior coding knowledge. In this video, I'll guide you through each step, making it easy to follow along. Let's get started. The first step is to install Python and a code editor on your system. To install Python, visit the official Python website at python.org and download the version compatible with your system. Once Python is installed, you'll need a code editor. For this tutorial, I'll be using Visual Studio Code, but feel free to use any editor you prefer. However, VS Code offers excellent features like an integrated terminal, extensions for Python, and debugging tools, making it an ideal choice for this project. Now let's move on to the second step. In this step, our main goal is to make our code talk to us. And to make our code talk, we need a Python package called Python Text-to-Speech version 3. So to install the package, open the terminal in your code editor and type pip install PITTS-X3. Here's PI stands for Python, TTS stands for text-to-speech, and X3 represents version 3 of the library. Depending on your internet speed and system configuration, the installation process might take a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, we're ready to make our code talk. So the very first thing that we need to do is, we need to import Python text-to-speech version 3. Next, we'll create a variable to initialize the text-to-speech engine. You can name it anything you like, but for this project, let's call it speaker. So we write speaker equal Python text-to-speech version 3.init. What this line of code will do is it will initialize the text-to-speech engine, and then we can tell our speaker to say something. So we write speaker.say, and then we write something that we want our program to say. So let's write, "Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Bits and Bytes." Finally, we'll add a line to ensure the program processes the speech command and waits until it's done speaking. So we write speaker.run and wait. Now let's run the program and see if it works.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, Bits and Bytes. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, Bits and Bytes.
So you can see it works. Our Python program can now talk. With just 4 lines of code, we were able to create our own text-to-speech in Python. So with this, we are done with step 2. Now in step 3, our main task is to load a PDF file into our program. We'll also learn how to check the total number of pages in the PDF, and later we'll figure out how to extract text from specific pages. First, you need a PDF file to work with. If you don't already have one, download any PDF and save it in the same folder as your Python script. This is important because it ensures your program can easily locate the file without needing to specify its full path. For this tutorial, I've already downloaded a PDF file, as you can see here. And to read a PDF file, we need another package called Python PDF2. This library allows us to open, read, and extract text from PDF files. So we will again go to the terminal and install the Python PDF2 using pip. So we write pip install pi PDF2. This command will download and install the latest version of the library. Depending on your system, the installation might take a few seconds to complete. Once the installation is complete, we'll import PyPDF2 into our program and start working with the PDF file. So once we are done with PDF downloading and installing the Python PDF2 package, we will now open the PDF file in our program. So let's give it some name like my file. So we write my file equal open, and then the name of our PDF file, and the mode in which we are opening the file is the read binary mode. And now we have to tell the Python PDF2 to read the PDF file. So to do this, let's create a variable like my PDF reader and set it equal to Python PDF2. And then we use a method called PDF reader and pass my file that we just created. With the help of this line, we will be able to use the Python PDF2 to read from the PDF file. Now my PDF reader object acts as a bridge between your program and the PDF file, enabling you to extract text, count pages, and more. So now let's say we want to know how many pages we have in our PDF. So for these, we can create a variable called pages and then use a len function, and inside it, we pass my PDF reader.pages and then just print the pages. So now if we run the program, then you can see that we have the total number of pages
Hello
that our
everyone and
PDF
welcome
has
back
as
to
the
our
output,
channel, Bits
along
and
with the
Bytes.
previous audio. As you can see, we've got 304 pages as the output, and if we check the PDF, it matches the total number of pages. Now let's say we want to start the reading from page number 23, from where the actual content of the PDF starts. Now in step 4, we will tell our program to read from page number 23. By now we have our text-to-speech setup ready, our PDF file loaded into the program, and a PDF reader that can access the file's content. Now let's first read from a single page of a PDF. So we create a variable called page and set it equal to my PDF reader.pages, and then we use the square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we can pass any page number from where we want to start the reading. Now, almost in every programming language, especially in Python, the indexing starts from 0. So that means to read the file from the page number 23, we have to pass number 22. So now as we got the page, we now have to extract the text from the file. So to do this, let's create another variable called page text and set it equal to page.extract_text. So now we have extracted the text from the page, and now our job is to tell the speaker to read this text instead of some random text. So now we will pass page text in our speaker.say method. And that's all. With all this line of code, we will now be able to read any specific page from our PDF file. So now let's run the program to see if it worked as we expected. Let's run the program and match the output with the actual content on page 23 of the PDF. This step ensures that our program is working as expected and reading the correct page. If everything is set up correctly, you should hear the content of page 23 being read aloud.
1. Python objects, types, and expressions. Python is the language of choice for many advanced data tasks for a very good reason. Python is one of the easiest advanced programming languages to learn. Intuitive structures and semantics mean that for people who are not computer scientists, but maybe biologists, statisticians, or the directors of a startup, Python is a straightforward way to perform a wide variety of data tasks. It is not just a scripting language, but a full-featured object-oriented programming language. In Python, there are many useful data structures and algorithms built into the language. Also,
So congratulations, your program can now read specific pages from the PDF. And now let's say, instead of reading from a single page, you want your program to keep reading up to the last page. So for this, we will use the for loop. So we write, for page num in range 22 comma pages, and all the code below it will come underneath it. So now these for loop will start reading the file from the page number 23 and go up to the very last page. So you can now run the program, and it will start reading from page 23 to last page. And that's it. With these steps, your program can now read single pages, specific sections, or even the entire PDF. So it's time to sit back, relax, and let your Python audiobook program do the reading for you. And there you have it, your very own audiobook program built entirely with Python. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to turn any PDF into a fully functional audiobook. From setting up Python and text-to-speech capabilities, to extracting text from specific pages, and even reading entire documents, you now have the tools to bring your books to life in audio form. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and coding projects. Thank you for watching, and I'd love to hear about the creative ways you're using this program. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you or what improvements you'd like to see.